back to our FilipinaTrip channel, and for today I'm just gonna show you an unboxing. So I have this online teaching that is ongoing right now, so I have to bought this stuff that I needed to do my online teaching at home. So this time I already got the first one. I already got the other one before in the mall, but this one I got it from Lazada, so it was delivered today, so I have it right now, so I'm gonna do the unboxing. So this is it. So this is the Logitech webcam. So medyo nakabubble wrap pa siya kasi kararating lang niya. So this time we're gonna do the unboxing, so let's see what's inside, if it's legit talaga na camera sa loob. Iba yung laman. So this is the box. As you can see, this is the C310 webcam of Logitech. So it's an HD video camera that 720 pixels. Yeah. So this is one of the requirements that needed when you are having an online teaching or home-based teaching. So I got this for how much? I got this for 1,349 pesos. So I got it in Lazada because when I was looking it in the mall, wala na siyang mga available na mga ganitong brand, and the specification na 720 pixels, so wala akong makita, so I just ordered it in Lazada. So I'm gonna show you guys the setup later. One of the important things also that you need to have a setup of online home-based teaching is a headset. So this headset I got in complete. So here it is. So I got this for 2,000 pesos, 1,999 pesos. So the brand is Plantronics. So this one it has to be a non-cancellation headset. Ayan, I will show you also all the features later ng headset. So, the thing that you're gonna be needing is an Ethernet cable. So, this one, I got this in Lazada as well. This is a 20 meter. I got a long one because I'm planning to set it up here dito sa baba, but I'm planning to set it up also upstairs just in case may mga bisita kami. So, bawal kasi yung maingay. So, I have to make sure that it's also can be connected upstairs. So I got the 20 meter na Ethernet cable. So this brand is high speed. Is it AD-Link, sorry. AD-Link na Ethernet cable. This is the webcam itself. Ayan. So here it is inside. Ang legit naman. So this is how it looks like. Ayan. So it's USB already. Features, so this one is a C310 Logitech webcam once again. So it has a 720 pixels, and its focus is fixed, the lens is standard, and it has a field view of 60 degrees and has a built-in microphone already, which is mono. So this is how the box looks like, and this is how the camera looks like. So it has a very big box. I don't know why. Okay, very small lang yung niya webcam. I don't know why. Maybe there's still something inside. So nothing more. So all you can see is this one. Yan, on how you're gonna set it up. Oh, so this one, yung kanyang tatanggalin pa yung plastic. Yan. So this one, so you can adjust this one, so you can adjust it and put it in your computer like that. So it also has a built-in noise reducing mic. Yeah, very good, because but the mic that I'm gonna use naman is the mic from my headphone, so it's fine. Just gonna off the microphone for this one. So I don't know what's inside more. Okay, they still have more, but it is written in there's English part here. So, ayan yung kanyang manual, I guess. Ayan, Chinese yung sa likod, and Korean. So, that's it. That's all what's inside the box. Yun lang naman pinaka-importante, yung webcam, yung nakuha natin. So, the next one is yung aking headset. So, this is how it looks like. So, ayan yung kanyang headset. You got the mic already up here. You wanna take it out first. So, this is the headset itself. Ayan. So, ito yung kanyang mic. So, this is yung on and off mute. Most important thing that you needed also is your laptop or your computer. So I also have my Asus laptop. There are special features that they are requiring to your laptop or to your desktop. So I think I fulfill that equipment. I already had a training a week ago and also already started teaching, so there's a lot of training that you needed to be upgraded, but this time I already started teaching and I'm still based on the center for now. They have the minimum of 5 days to stay in the center for you to be able to be approved to stay at home to do the online home-based teaching for good. So there's a lot of training that you still needed to be upgraded because teaching, I'm not really a teacher, but you have to upgrade, you have to learn more, you have to grow so you can give a good quality teaching to those kids that you're teaching online. I'm gonna put all the details in the description box right there, and I will gonna show you later the setup that needed to have your online home-based teaching. So please stand by.